The biggest impact on the sustainability and the environment, it's our hydrogen car. The hydrogen we are using is the green hydrogen. The secondary product which comes out of the car is only water, no CO2 emissions whatsoever. And this is what should be the source of power for the future. The whole infrastructure needs to be planned for that, and we also have to build the hydrogen stations. And once we have the regulations for using the hydrogen and more hydrogen stations, hopefully in the next couple of years we will see these projects driving around all the country. The e-lagoon is an autonomous robot which helps to detect any toxic leak or any acid in the water. It's using a 3D GPS e-mapping solution, so it helps, of course, to prevent any major pollution, acids and toxic leaks into the waters, water reservoirs and rivers and lakes.